What if you could describe any web app idea and watch AI build it in real time with zero coding? Hostinger Horizons has been evolving quietly, and it is now more powerful than most people realize. I am about to walk you through the complete setup and demonstrate how to build web apps that would normally require a development team. Hey, it's Paul James. Before we go further, let me tell you why Horizons matters now more than ever. When I was starting out in my brother's garage, I had ideas for tools and platforms I wanted to build, but I hit the same wall every time. No coding skills, no budget for developers, and no way to turn concepts into real functioning applications. Hostinger Horizons is an AI tool that removes that entire barrier. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go high level. Here is the problem most people face when they want to build something online. You have the vision, you know what functionality you need, but between that idea and a working web application sits this massive technical gap. You need hosting infrastructure, you need front-end design, you need back-end logic, you need databases, you need API integrations. Most people quit before they start because it feels impossible without a technical background. The old way meant either spending months learning to code, which most people do not have time for, or hiring a development agency at $5,000 to $20,000 per project. And even after paying that, you are dependent on them for every update and change. That is not a business. That is a bottleneck that kills momentum. Now let me walk you through exactly how to get started with Hostinger Horizons the right way. This part is critical because choosing the wrong plan means you leave features on the table. When you click the link in the description or the pinned comment, you will land on the Horizons pricing page. You are going to see 4 different plans. Here is the move that makes sense for most people getting started. Go with the starter plan. Let me tell you exactly why. The Explorer plan saves you a few dollars per month, but gives you 0 free domains. You still need to buy a domain separately. That defeats the whole purpose of having everything in one place. The starter plan includes a free domain for a year, free hosting, and 2 business email addresses. But here is what really matters. The starter plan gives you 70 AI credits per month instead of 30. That means you can build more, iterate faster, and actually use the tool without hitting limits. It also lets you create up to 25 websites or web apps instead of just 1. If you are planning to offer this as a service to clients, you need that multi-project capability. And when you check out, if you choose the 12-month option, you get a discount. During checkout, Hostinger sets up your account automatically. You get instant access to the Horizons platform, the hosting environment, and the domain registration process. Everything happens in one flow. No jumping between different platforms or services trying to connect things manually. Here's where things get wild. Hostinger Horizons is not a traditional website builder where you drag boxes around a canvas. It is an AI tool that builds web applications through conversation. You describe what you want to create, and the AI writes the code, designs the interface, and deploys everything live. Let me show you what I mean by web apps versus basic websites. A web app has functionality. It does something beyond just displaying information. Think booking systems, think calculators, think dashboards, think tools that process data and give users results. Horizons can build all of that without you writing a single line of code. The framework I use with Horizons is what I call the Conversational Build System. Instead of learning a complicated interface, you have a conversation with the AI. You tell it what you want to create, it asks clarifying questions, you refine the details, and it builds the app in real time while you watch. Most people never realize this part. Traditional development requires you to spec out every feature up front. You need wireframes, you need documentation, you need technical requirements written in developer language. Horizons removes that friction completely. You can iterate and adjust as you see the app take shape. You are building and refining at the same time. Here is how the actual workflow looks once you are inside. You open the Horizons chat interface. You see a simple text box. You type something like, build me a lead calculator for real estate agents that estimates property values based on square footage, location, and recent comparable sales. The AI starts building immediately. It creates the input fields where users enter their data. It writes the calculation logic that processes those numbers. It designs the results display that shows the estimated value. Within minutes, you have a working prototype, not a mock-up, not a concept sketch, a functioning tool that actually works when you test it. And here is the genius part. If you want to change how it calculates or add new features, you just tell Horizons what to adjust. The AI modifies the code and updates the app instantly. You're not hunting through menus trying to find settings. You're not learning a new interface. You are just describing what you want different. Now let me give you a concrete example that shows the power here. Imagine you want to create a fitness challenge tracker for personal trainers. Users should be able to log workouts, track progress over time, see their stats on a dashboard, and get motivational reminders. That is a real web application with database functionality, user accounts, and data visualization. In the traditional world, building that requires front-end developers for the interface, back-end developers for the data processing, database architects for the storage structure, and UI designers for the look and feel. You are looking at weeks of development time and thousands of dollars in costs. With Horizons, you describe that exact functionality through the chat. The AI builds the entire application, sets up the database structure, creates the user interface, and handles the authentication system. This part used to stress me out when I was trying to figure all of this out. I had ideas for tools that could help businesses, software that would solve real problems, but I did not know how to turn those ideas into real products. The technical execution barrier stopped me every single time. Horizons is exactly what I needed back then because it removes that barrier completely. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. Hosting your Horizons includes something called Kodee, which acts as your built-in technical assistant. If you get stuck, if something breaks, if you need help adding a feature, Kodee guides you through it. You are never alone trying to debug code you do not understand or figure out why something is not working. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me show you the money angle for creators and freelancers. Businesses are paying $3,000 to $15,000 for custom web applications right now. Most of them do not need enterprise level complexity. They need something that works, looks professional, and solves their specific problem. You can deliver that using Horizons at a fraction of the traditional cost and time. Picture this workflow. A client runs a coaching business and wants a client portal. They need a place where clients can book sessions, access resources like worksheets and videos, track their progress, and message the coach. That is a custom web app with multiple features that work together. In the old model, you would need a development team and months of work. With Horizons, you build a working version in minutes. You sit down with the client and gather requirements. What features do they absolutely need? What should the user flow look like? What branding colors and style should it match? You take that information and describe it to Horizons through the chat interface. The AI builds the portal structure. You show the client a working prototype. They request adjustments. You make those changes through conversation with the AI. You deliver a finished product in days instead of 3 months. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. The speed advantage compounds over time. If traditional projects took you 6 weeks each, you could handle maybe 8 clients per year without burning out. With Horizons accelerating the build process, you could handle 20 or more clients in the same time frame, same expertise, same time investment, double or triple the revenue because you eliminated the bottleneck. But it gets better for beginners too. Maybe you have never built a web application before. Maybe the idea of offering development services feels impossible because you lack technical skills or a computer science degree. Horizons changes that equation completely. You do not need to know how to code. You need to understand what makes a good user experience and how to communicate effectively with clients. Let me paint you a picture of what this looks like in action. You find a local service business that still uses spreadsheets and phone calls to manage appointments. They lose bookings because their system is clunky and customers get frustrated. You offer to build them a custom booking app for $1,200. You gather their requirements in one meeting. You describe the booking flow to Horizons. Customers should be able to see available time slots based on the business hours. They select a service from the menu. They pick a date and time. They enter their contact information. They get a confirmation email. The business owner gets a notification and sees all bookings in a dashboard where they can manage the calendar and send reminders. Horizons builds that entire system based on your description. You customize the branding and colors to match their business. You test the functionality to make sure everything works smoothly. You add the business logo and adjust the layout. You deliver a working app that transforms how they operate and capture appointments. The business owner is thrilled because you solved a real problem that was costing them money. You made $1,200 for work that took you a few focused hours because the AI handled the technical execution, and you can repeat that exact process with other service businesses who have similar needs: hair salons, consulting firms, repair services. Anyone who books appointments can use a version of that same app. That is real leverage. That is turning AI into income. Now, here is something else that matters. Hostinger Horizons has been evolving continuously since launch. New features get added regularly. The AI gets smarter at understanding what you want to build. The integrations expand to include more third-party services like Stripe for payments and Supabase for databases. You are not buying into a static product that stays frozen in time. You are getting access to a platform that improves over time. Think about that for a second. Most software you buy today is what you get. Maybe they release an update once a year. Horizons is different because the underlying AI capabilities improve as the technology advances. Your tool gets more powerful without you doing anything extra. That is a huge advantage that most people overlook when they are comparing options. Here is the really clever part about how Horizons handles complex builds. Everything it creates is automatically mobile responsive. The apps work perfectly on phones, tablets, and desktops without you needing to design separate versions. That is critical because more than half of users access web apps from their phones now. Traditional development requires separate effort to make things mobile friendly. Horizons handles it by default as part of the build process. And because everything lives in one platform, you are not managing hosting separately from one provider, domains separately from another provider, and email from a third service. Horizons bundles it all together in one dashboard. That saves hours of configuration and troubleshooting. You can focus on building and delivering instead of fighting with technical infrastructure and support tickets. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this. You could build tools for local businesses and charge $1,000 to $3,000 per project, depending on complexity. You could create web apps and sell them as products to specific niches that need the same functionality. You could offer custom solutions that would normally require a development team and expensive monthly retainers. The gap between having an idea and launching something real just disappeared. You do not need to spend years learning to code. You do not need to hire developers and manage a technical team. You describe what you want in plain English, and the AI builds it while you watch. That is what actual leverage looks like in 2026. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level. Hostinger Horizons is exactly the kind of tool that changes what is possible when you are starting from scratch with limited resources.